Hydro One is the largest transmitter and distributor of electricity in Ontario. We serve a lot of residential customers as well as distribution customers. We used to use a lot of Excel models to put our plan together. Now over time, our plan and our budgets have also grown exponentially. And I think at some point, we realized that this is not doable anymore and we need to find a software solution that will enable our planners and our organization to put a plan together that we can defend in front of our regulator. So we signed up, we were one of your earlier clients, and we've had a partnership going on for a decade now. Having everything in one place and producing a plan that is for everyone makes a big difference, because that way every single line of business has access to all of the information and not just their information. And I think transparency goes a long way into ensuring that we're doing the right job of being equitable across the organization, and we're helping everyone put the plan together in the way that they support as well, which gives confidence and transparency to the organization and from our perspective to our regulators. So I think it's helped to break down these barriers over time. It's made a huge difference. Multi-year planning is a lot more doable and easier in a software solution as opposed to in something like an Excel file. When you're trying to do multi-year planning, you need to take a lot of things into consideration. For example, your inflation factors over time. If you want to do any sorts of like what if scenarios, you can't do that in an Excel model. It's not as easy, but in a software solution, you can create different types of scenarios and look at them separately at the same time. And we do that a lot. So when we were preparing our plan for the regulator, we have to show that we've been prudent. So sometimes we run multiple scenarios and look at it internally with our leadership and make sure that, okay, so this is option A, this is option B, this is option C. What's best for our organization, or more so what's best for our customers, right? What makes sense to put forward. As one of the early adopters of Copperleaf and one of your earlier clients, we've been very happy using your products and with the guidance and help that we keep receiving from your team. I look at it more of a partnership as opposed to a client and customer relationship, because it's truly been a partnership, and every time we've engaged, we've had good experiences. The future is very bright, very excited about that sort of machine learning, AI piece to all of this. That's what we need to do to be able to make decisions that are prudent for our customers.